Since its establishment in 1989, Zhihao has never compromised in its pursuit of quality. Our products are sold in Taiwan and around the world. Each of our high-quality products communicates our comprehensive services. Zhihao provides extensive services from product manufacturing to professional system planning. By constantly expanding our perspectives, Zhihao excels in every detail. With decades of experience, many industries now have the best products to help them grow. Our expertise spans multiple sectors, and we attained national quality certificates and are ASME certified. Located in central Taiwan, we continue to work with the industry and refine ourselves in a cutting-edge, innovative, and user-friendly manner. Piping engineering with industry custom design and plant planning and water quality analysis. We make remarkable boilers through coherent production processes alongside our R&D and manufacturing departments. To keep consistent quality, products are 100% self-developed, designed and manufactured with top-class equipment and manufacturing processes. With professionalism as our basic requirement, we strive for constant improvement to create more value in the industry. For over 30 years, we have promoted our brand with quality from public entities and private companies, restaurants and hotels, to schools and hospitals. We strive to meet the needs of each customer and provide a 24/7 service to establish a trusted brand. Our boilers are the result of our dedication and commitment to the brand. At Zhihao, we insist on a customer-based philosophy so that promises are more than just promises. They are our dedication. Not only do we provide first-rate products and attentive after-sales services, our quality assurance is also key to a sustainable business operation. Zhihao Industry.